Oh, hello. Nice. Was it no sound the entire time I was talking for like, I don't know, 3.5 minutes? And then, yes, I did go to get water. So I guess Rob and Blaya are correct. Weird. Yeah, sometimes I start the stream and I don't talk and don't notice my audio bar isn't moving. Sorry about that. The water. The water's accurate. The water's good. Our water was off yesterday. They were fixing a water pipe in the middle of our street. Kind of flooded it a little bit. Gaxi down big this morning. No major surprise there. NAL looking froggy, looking super froggy. Beyond Meat up almost 8.5%. Getting up there, filling in the right side of this cup with some nice big green candles here. Looking really good actually. Looks like they may try a go at running it. We'll see what happens with it. All right, Nasdaq come back up off those almost 0.5% down, 1/4% down. Buy more Tesla. I think Tesla's forming a symmetrical triangle. It's what it looks like, or something, whatever it is. It's forming something. Um, no, I don't think it's go crazy Tesla time yet. Man, Tesla's been up so big it needs a rest. I mean, this is a triathlete right here. Don't get me wrong, but I think it needs some time off. Actually, you look at yesterday was the lowest volume we'd had since that breakout announcement of the 5-to-1 stock split. Yeah, that was yeah, today's doesn't even register on this chart, the volume. So this low green candle at 49 million shares traded was yesterday, and this one is 53 million. So it's the lowest one. Hey, what's up, Mohammed? Square? No, I don't think Square's on my actionable list right now. What do we got? 3.38. It is not. Did I delete it? Maybe it was an accidental deletion. I don't remember deleting Square. Anything on Amazon to buy more? Well, I mean, the pullback on Amazon is almost a buy signal, really. I mean, yeah, the other good thing is it's trying to retake the 50-day. If it can do that effectively, if it can do that, then that would be a buy signal. So far, hasn't retaken it. It's just moved up to it on lower volume. Technically, not a good sign. But Amazon, I mean, if you have longer term perspectives on it, this was a decent decline, about 18% for Amazon. So it could go down lower. This could turn into a double bottom base of sorts. Maybe it moves up and then comes down and then bottoms out underneath this low, then turns back up. I don't know. But we appear to be basing. And like I said, the election's coming up. So, I mean, 11/4, I don't know when we're going to start to rally after the election. It'll happen though. You just don't know if it's right after or if Trump wins, it could be right after. If Biden wins, it could be maybe in January or something. I don't know. You almost think that Amazon would pop on a Biden win if he's going to shut the country down again. I don't think he'll do that though. I mean, a mask mandate, I think that's a good idea, but AMD not bad either. Same kind of the same situation actually. Looks like it's trying to perk up. Oh yeah, nice this morning. Yeah, AMD not too bad. Trying to get up out of here, getting a little more vertical. A couple of peak closes here. Two peak closes the past 2 days is good. Volume signature wish it was a little bit higher, but I'll take a peak close. So those aren't bad at all. Those are good. Actually, here's its 50-day. So being supported by the 50 days so far, this is above the 50 days, so you could take a position in AMD. Was Friday a follow through or Thursday lower than the prior low? Hard to see on my NQ chart. That's not actually the real chart. Let's take a look at the real chart. 14 clicks later, we'll get there. Horrible, horrible website. Just the absolute worst website. Gosh, I hate it. NASDAQ, no higher volume days here at all. As a matter of fact, volume's flattened off pretty good. Yeah, you can see right there. Yeah, none of those days are higher volume. Only the red day here was higher volume. So nothing, yeah, nothing here. Unfortunately, S&P. And S&P had higher volume on that day. This little bottom doji day did not qualify as a follow-through day though. Yesterday on the S&P, volume did increase. Could be considered a follow-through day yesterday. You've got volume percent change. Wait a minute, hold on a second. Yeah, 35 million versus 37 million traded, up 1.61%. So you could argue it's a follow through day. It's kind of, I don't, 1.61% is not weak, but the volume increase definitely could have been better. Going from 37 to 35.8 to 37.0. So only 1 million, 1.2 million shares traded over the prior day. So not super bullish yesterday, but the S&P technically probably would have been a follow through day signal. And they have a interesting article. What's a follow through day in a recovering market? Well, it's a bullish thing. 2.8% above yesterday's volume. Yeah, not very good. 1.6. Yeah, it's on the fence there. They say a meaningful move upward. You could Yesterday's on the fence about being meaningful. So recipe, they have a follow through down April 2nd on 2.3% higher volume. And then the Nasdaq made us follow through day a few days later. So I guess we'll see if we get one on the Nasdaq. But yeah, we're in some interesting territory this morning in terms of technicals and follow through days and stuff like that. 0.49% for the Nasdaq. We've turned lower again. AMD 1.1%. Beyond Meat still up there, getting up towards 10. Actually, I think it's trying to break out here today. Hey, what's up, Ellie? I think you still got your Beyond Meat, right? Gaxi being bought up, maybe just a big seller. Can't find any news. Yeah, well, you won't have news most days. 27%. Yeah, it could be. Could be a test of the market also. They could just be testing it to see if there's support. They'll do that from time to time. Seems to be a lot of volume though. 60 million shares when your average is 253. Yeah, it's pretty big. It's pretty big. I don't know. I wouldn't be messing with it until it starts to move up anyways. But yeah, not doing super hot there. Let's see what's not working today. We got Nikola down another 4.7%. Oh, this thing is dead. This thing is so dead. I hope no one has any quote unquote long term Nikola positions because I don't think they're going to be positions much longer. The only one that won out of this is that Trevor Milton douchebag. I was watching some video that someone posted on the Slack channel yesterday, and oh my goodness. Yeah, that was you, Rob. Yeah, I did watch that. That's horrible. Absolutely horrible. That guy's a good presenter, too. Wearing his dad's tie. Yeah, looks like it. I think he put it, I think it was in stocks. Yeah, it's in stocks. It's like right there towards the bottom when you click on stocks. I should do videos with a white shirt and tie or something. I think that would be cool. Then I'd be cool and only then. All right, let's see what's not working. All this stuff zoomed down today. A little bit of consolidation. So try to pop up a little bit. Not going very far. Not it's like not a ton of buying pressure left maybe. Again, we're still kind of in this weird market situation. Tesla forming a basing structure. Again, no major sell signal on Tesla. Keep that in mind. So Tesla sets up again, starts looking froggy. It's gonna be froggy. ESNT looks pretty good right there. Let's change my time axis. There we go. All right, so ESNT with some pretty nice sideways action going on here. It's looking good here in a cup and handle. Decided it needed a little bit more time on vacation. Who can blame it, right? Who can blame needing more time on vacation? Coop, Roku, choppily moving upwards in a choppy fashion. Weibo MJ 10.3. Not having a great day. Look at how beaten down on the daily chart MJ is. Even on the weekly chart is crazy. It's absolutely ridiculous. Like I don't know if it was really stupid of me to expect to run an MJ or just naive or just not listening. I don't know, but just to be so wrong, like I didn't expect this thing to go. I mean, I guess I did expect this thing to go, but man, just such horrible, horrible garbage action. Man, it's just so bad. All right, Spotify. YY consolidating in a not too bad fashion, actually. Not too bad right there. Lithium Motors consolidation. Very interesting. Look at that chart. It's a weird one. It's so weird. Just kind of flounders about, pops up, rolls over, chops up, gaps up, runs, and then goes into this weird ass channel. Such a weird stock. A secret MJ stock, and they just need their subscribers. What's up, James? Good morning. So did you put a shirt on, but no, have your jammy bottoms on? That's as weird as you think it looks. Go get dressed, bud. NYLK looking pretty good right there, actually. DR Horton. Apparently, they're still building homes. People still need to live. Bounce off the 50 day. A couple good bounces there off the 50 day. Right off it. Right off it. They like that 50-day D. Looks like housing is in accumulation sequence right there. What is Planet 13? I have no idea what that is. LVGO. Whoops. Yeah, I do think we're setting up for bases. I do think we're setting up bases. It's just not, you know, it's not time yet. LVGO looking good. JoeHortonMatch.com back down, maybe bouncing off 100. You see there was resistance here at 100. And then now we have kind of a weird loose pivot point. Oh, looks like James something. What's up, James? Yes. What's that? You want to bring the Halloween stuff inside? No. Are they inside? No, they're in the garage. In the garage? I don't understand what you're talking about. Oh, you want to place Halloween stuff around? No, mommy's gonna be really particular about where she wants stuff. Why don't you? I know something. Go find black construction paper. Go. Oh yeah, why don't you do that? Good job. Wow. We have to brush our teeth. Hold on. Dang teeth. Later, Blair. All right, point three for the Nasdaq. Looks like I missed some comments here. Yeah, right, Ellie. Definitely a throwaway trade. Although selling some options against it would have been good all the way down. I missed a huge opportunity there. Hold on. Oh, frickin' teeth, man. I have to say, fine, just don't brush your teeth. I'm not gonna spend any money on frickin' dental. Your whole life be affected by your choices when you're 6. Talking to the Southern Division General Superintendent said D.R. Horton said their sales are through the roof and they are scrambling to buy more land. Wow. DHI. And I guess the question is, can they buy more land? They should be able to. We are going to run out of land one day. I just don't know what day that's going to be. Probably a long day, long time from now. You know how much it's going to cost me, Ellie? I don't want to do ceramic implants. It's going to come out of his retirement account. Yeah, 30 visits to the dentist. All right, let's go back to the top here. D.R. Horton. Yeah, that's good stuff from D.R. Horton. A couple of good pocket pivots right there, at least one. That one is loosely a pocket pivot. 4.3. So not a pocket pivot. 5-day pocket pivot though. So one good pocket pivot right there. Support on the 50 day is good for DR Horton. Restoration Hardware 5.3 continuing to gain steam this morning. Volume good. 161,000 versus 384 yesterday. Bidding a job for Horton. $2,700 square foot lots. Oh, lots. Oh, holy crap. How big are those houses? Like 2,000 square feet? Obviously, 2-story, right? You probably got to have a garage. Yeah, well, California land's super expensive too. So, all right, Donkey Kong. We got 3.7% today. Had a great day yesterday. We did sell off a little bit towards the end of the day, but nothing too substantial. Okay. Pretty good move there for Donkey Kong. Looks like RH stalling at some red trend line. Must be this one just on the daily there. Yeah, there's a housing development over here in Phoenix I saw building really small houses. I'm not sure if they. You said houses, so I'm assuming they're not condos or patio homes, but these were houses too. They were just tiny. You should just start to build vertical. I mean, land prices are going to get to the point where they're going to start building like vertical. I've always had this cool. I don't know if it's cool or not, but I'll show you. I'll show my wonderful trading, wonderful drawing skills on TradingView. Not now, Dad. But I always thought they should take like a house, give it a roof with like a long gable thing, and build another house like this, and then just kind of stack them. But from the top view, it would almost look like this. They would kind of go around in almost like a clover type of a fashion. That way you have 4 houses stacked up before you have another. So like there's a roof. One, two, three, 4. Before you have another one like over your roof like that. So you get like some very generous sunlight coming in. I always thought that'd be kind of cool. Just go vertical and just like rotate your house. But this would, but this here would be huge. This here would be, I don't know. My lot's like 8,000 square feet. You can make it an 8,000 square foot lot. You can make it a 12,000 square. That's a shitload of concrete though. So that's a shitload of concrete. I should find some new material made from plastic that would be just as strong. And they got earthquakes down, Ellie. They got earthquakes down. No need to worry about that. Human Shrinker and Sell Dollhouses. Have you seen that movie? It's a pretty good movie, actually. I like it. So that okay, that's my next startup, ladies and gentlemen. Whereas I'm essentially going to build 10 houses on a 10,000 square foot plot of land. That's how it's going to work. Real architect? Damn right, I'm real everything, Ellie. Don't you know this by now? Everything. I. Oh, what are you silly? James was playing. I was playing with him for a second. And he got all pissy. All right, all right. So Tesla up here hanging out, Nasdaq hanging out. 0.3%, not bad. I'm not mad at that at all. That's pretty good. Yeah, fake news, Ellie. Who says who says earthquakes exist? Earth's not Earth's not quaking right now. Garbage. Right, Rob? Oh, you think we should have regulations on how to build strong houses during an earthquake? I don't see an earthquake happening, so earthquake change isn't real. There's no data to support it. All the data is fake. I mean, yeah, you can take, seismic readings from when the ground's shaking, but that's not real data. What about the 99.99% of the time it's not quaking, for crying out loud? Space taking a rest? That'd be a good video, the case against earthquakes. And then take the climate change debate in there. That's right. Made up of earth companies to sell more. Made up, yeah, it's made up by the big concrete. It's made up by big wood. Oh, this is getting better and better. All right, Ellie, we got to keep going with this. This is pretty good. Yeah, just like climate change isn't real. It's made up by all the green companies that are trying to sell all their green stuff. Just like earthquakes aren't real. It's made up by the big wood company trying to sell all their wood. Do you see? I don't feel an earthquake right now. Do you? No, I don't. Just because I felt one 4 years ago, that wasn't an earthquake though. Those things just happen. That's funny. Climate change is the only thing they don't listen to science on. I feel like one side of the debate is going to look back and go, "How the hell did I miss all the signs?" One side of the debate on many issues, and then other than that, the rest of the people will die just thinking they're correct the whole time. That's right. That's right. They're made up by climate companies to sell more change. 4.25% for Donkey Kong. Excuse me. All right. Nasdaq 0.25. Amazon, almost looking like a little mini weird head and shoulders pattern. Slightly horizontal neckline. First change campaign. Ellie making up for yesterday. All right, 0.25 for the NASDAQ. RH having a good day. Beyond Meat getting better. Looks like trying to go for an actual breakout. Look at the volume today. I didn't notice that earlier, but volume is huge today. This thing could it's already having a good day. Could be one of those 18+% days. I'm not ready to jump. I'm not going to jump in on it. I already botched my chance at this one. Look how choppy this thing's been. Odds are it'll just pull back down, but I don't know. Great volume this morning. Yeah, you can eat. Do you want me to get you food? All right, hold on a minute. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. My knee hurts. My other knee that doesn't hurt hurts. All right, what do we got? Looks like I missed some good stuff. Tesla's trying to make up some ground there. All right, climate change made up by big climate to sell more change. Absolutely. It was planned all along so that he could get his Peace Prize when he first got into the market for nothing. Yeah, he really didn't do much to get that Peace Prize. To be honest, I would be listening to the green guys if they were serious and talked about nuclear. I think, yeah, nuclear is a great option. I agree. It really is, and they have really good options for nuclear now too. It's not like the same old. It's like the new nuclear. Even Obama discovered by the prize, we were still to discover just what was being black. There's some secret drone strike that prevented the end of the world. Oh yeah, it could have been that. Chernobyl and Fukushima are fake news. Obama was surprised, just like Epstein. Oh, ooh, nice, Rob. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Surprised by his suicide. Oh, that is, man, to see the actual evidence from that would be very interesting. Chernobyl doesn't exist. It was made by Netflix to sell their documentary. Very good documentary, by the way. Very good documentary. I did buy it. I did buy it. It was pretty cool. All right, Donkey King. Donkey King. There you go. Up about 4%. Not too shabby. AMD 2%, getting a little more froggy this morning. All right, so the market is slowly coming back. We talked about election coming up, as we're going to continue to talk about some stupid election. Let's just not talk at all about the election. We could do that. We could just not talk about elections. Tesla down 1%. Up off the open, though. A little bit. Nothing too crazy. Declining volume. Look at it's starting to have nice declining volume on it. Last time we had declining volume, we were over here in a small base. Now we're over here in another kind of a base. I don't know what's going to make Tesla drop, though. I doubt it. Walmart Canada triples its semi-orders. They're gonna buy 6 now. I don't know what they bought. Oh, that just hurt. That just hurt my. Man, I am broken as all get out right now. Let me tell you. Let me start eating vegetables. Begin production soon. Yeah, in 3 years. Increasing its order of Tesla semi trucks, 230 trucks. Yeah, so I knew they didn't order that many. 3.5 billion investment over the next 5 years to grow its business while also achieving zero emissions by 2040. Come on, Tesla, man. You got to get that freaking plan up, man. Tripling our reservations on semi-Tesla is part of our ongoing effort to innovate business and prioritize sustainability. Dude, sustainability is awesome. I just got to say. Berlin factory is just an IKEA. So you walk in there and they give you the parts and you put your Tesla together? Is that why Tesla reduced the number of parts? To make things. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. That is so funny. That is hilarious. It was really easy to put my Tesla together. I just followed the instructions that have no words on them and put my car together. Actually, you almost could do that the way that they're designing the car. If they delivered you a chassis and all the parts along with it, especially since the battery is now part of the chassis, if you had, in all reality, you could assemble that Tesla. Just have someone come in and put the front windshield in. The dashboard would be a little tricky, but they could do it. They could deliver you a Tesla that's not assembled. You just do it yourself. I like it. All right, what else we got? Spotify CEO backs Tesla after pledging invest over 1 billion in European moonshots. What does that mean? It'd be pretty fun, Ellie. That would be pretty good. Although let me tell you the secret. For those of you, I don't know who out there has ever worked on cars for any amount of time. There's always leftover bolts. I don't know how you do. I don't know how it happens, but there's always leftover bolts. So now they just have to include the extra bolts so you don't miss it, so they don't miss a bolt. They're getting good at that these days. Polaris unveiled agreement with Zero Motorcycles to electrify Polaris snowmobiles off-road vehicles over the next decade. Not bad. Citroen left says valuations on Peloton and Shopify outrageous. Says valuation on Tesla is outrageous, but it's a company people love. Ooh, Tesla's Musk plans Starlink IPO when revenue growth becomes smooth and predictable. A Starlink IPO? So, wait a minute. He said he wasn't going to keep them. He said he was going to keep them together. I guess he's not. Weird. Oh, don't do that to us, Elon. No. Company has plans to take its satellite broadband unit Starlink public, but not until revenue growth is smooth and predictable. Yeah, at an event not too long ago, he said absolutely not. He would not spin off. He would not spin off Starlink because it's needed to launch SpaceX. Maybe that situation's changed. Yeah, I guess that's maybe SpaceX is profitable on its own. I don't know. Wow, 46 billion valuation from SpaceX. That's crazy. I think it was worth like 5 billion 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah, in March, right here you go. Publicly said that he was not considering an IPO for Starlink, saying we're thinking about that zero. I guess that's changed. Wow. Okay, that's interesting. He did. He did. He does so much. Analysts should ignore high flying tech stocks and focus on finding companies like Fiverr. All right. Market 0.2% down, not doing too bad. AMC was looking super, just like that one is right now. Beyond Meat today could be this. Wait and see if it has a big doji. You could have a nice short on your hand if it does. I don't know. That's a tough one. Amazon's green a little bit. NIO, okay, 4.65. There we go. Just blast it off. All right, if you want NIO, now may be the day. Let's take a look. Yes, Justin, presidential debate. I made a joke about live streaming it. Do you want me to live stream it? I made a joke about it, but I don't want to get super political. Um, I enjoyed the last live stream. It was pretty fun. I just had a good time. Although people think like, oh, stupid because it's politics. That doesn't sound like a good time. So I don't know. I probably won't do it. Daily. What's Daily Wire? Is that a YouTube channel? All right. Let's see what NIO's got under its sleeves. It's looking pretty good today, volume wise. Oh, okay. So it's a news organization basically. NIO holding that beautifully, absolutely beautifully. This is a base. I think this is a base on base for NIO. I don't know why I didn't think about that till right now. Yeah, technically that could be a second base. That's up 27%. Could be another stage base. One, two, three, four, five, six. 35% didn't quite meet the qualifications for a flat base. This would kind of meet a double bottom base. One, two, three, four, five. This one's on the fence in terms of being whatever. What happened to Donkey Kong? Oh, down to 2% now. Oh, it's not too bad. It's just chopping the area. And it's a little heavy though, huh? A little heavy for Donkey Kong point 3 for the NASDAQ. All right, get back to NIO. Am I playing anything? Yesterday I did get into Donkey Kong. I got into Donkey Kong yesterday. Um, and I did get some TQQQ yesterday too. We'll see how it goes. That's pretty much all I'm doing. And I'm selling Tesla calls. That's about it. So I do have some positions as the market's kind of stabilized a little bit. Could go against me, badly if the market decides to have a reaction to something, but I don't know, just everything was looking pretty stable, pretty normal, so I didn't want to be completely out. I'm about I'm just under a half in right now. Actually, I'm about half in. My positions are profitable, so it's turned into half in. I was a little under half in, now I'm half in. Yeah, true, Ellie. True, Ellie. We'll see what I don't know. I mean, I don't know what there's to react to. Like in reality, I don't know what the reaction. Unless look, you know what Trump's going to do? In my mind, the concern is Biden just completely flopping, absolutely completely flopping. That would be the kind of risk, which is possible because hey, he's a little not knowing what year it is type of a mindset from what it looks like, unfortunately. Polkadot at all on Real Crypto? Yeah, we've talked about Polkadot, Justin. Yeah, it's what's it ranked now on Coin? It jumped up there on number 5 on Coin Market Cap for whatever strange reason. Right there. So it's on our list. What is this one? Oh, they changed all their fonts. That's weird. They changed everything. At least it loads faster. A little bit. Wow, 7,000 cryptos now? I thought it was 5,000 cryptos a little bit ago. Dang. Yeah, Polkadot number 7 now. Yeah, we've been covering Polkadot now for a couple weeks since it really just jumped up here. I don't like this. Why are they making me scroll like this? They should have less padding somewhere. Right in through here likely. Yeah. Always at the mercy of developers. All right, NIO. 20K BTC by the end of the year? It'd be nice, R. Pete. It'd be nice. I don't know though. It's interesting. Let's put it that way. All right, let's look at NIO. Kind of got off base here a little bit. I was looking at an NIO trade potentially. Looks like that's still on the table. Um, Keep in mind, NIO kind of ran kind of counter to Tesla. Oddly enough, when Tesla was running, NIO was basing over here. It's really interesting. So now NIO is getting going again. Potentially looking like a 25. So try to maybe, yeah, probably a little bit above that, but that's fine. And then we'll do You're 30 days out, 1030. That's not bad. It's going to get worse by the minute, though, which is what it's doing right there. 1995. Gonna butt up against that $20 level here in a second. RH is up here too. BLFS Beyond Meat. Not too much is having crazy. BLFS is having a great day today. Look at that. 7% above this little consolidation. I was trying to see if anything else is trying to run with it. Paycom. No, Paycom actually trying to get out of the channel right there. Decent volume. On it, well, see, I trade options in my Roth here, RP, so it's slightly different. I would just sell on selling pressure. I don't really have a definitive stop, but if you were to, you'd probably, yeah. See, that's 17%. That's crazy deep. You can't do that. You'd have to do it on a breakout failure, which would mean undercutting this trend line here. Um, it would have to be a breakout failure sell. It wouldn't. It's too wide. Yeah, sure. See, we had one over here. We had a day here, and then it kind of it turned sideways on us on this earlier base right there. Got froggy with a very nice. I think it was a pocket pivot. Yeah, so this was a pocket pivot. Another, so two pocket pivots. We came back here, tested the bottom of it, and then started actually the run. You never know if they're going to do the exact same thing or not. But yeah, so there's the 50 day. We never even hit the 50 day, which is very very bullish. So NAO definitely one of the more bullish names here. All right, so we're over 20. Hmm. 2008. Donkey Kong fall off completely. Yeah, 0.91 right now. Yeah, not working that so good. Yeah, so far I know it's looking really good here. And that's this autopilot feature, faster charging options. Yeah, I haven't pulled any triggers yet. Just watching this 20 level. I'm ready to though. Rapid charging service on Friday. Oh, these are old headlines. I didn't look at the date. I didn't notice at all. 9/28. So yesterday was the newest headline. All right, Donkey Kong bouncing back a little bit, 1.5%. And I was taking a breather here. We'll let it breathe. Check out Donkey Kong. Could be a bottoming candle. Hope it is. All right, point four for the Nasdaq, guys. We haven't really changed that much since we started the show. I'm gonna bounce out of here, guys, but haven't really haven't really done much. Point five now for the Nasdaq. So a little bit of sideways action here. NIO failing 20 so far. Yeah, it's okay. I'm with you, Ellie. I'm with you. All right, I'll see if I remember to watch the debate tonight. I don't think I'll live stream it. It's too much, too deep politics. I don't want to go. I don't want to go too deep. I like skimming on the surface. Peloton looking pretty froggy right there. We'll see what happens at the $100 breakout. That would be good for Peloton. Super good for Peloton. Oh, Mossy looking good here. Look at Mossy. Not bad. Constellation Brands, Trade Desk. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully the world still exists after the debate. All right, guys. I'll see you then. See you tomorrow.